How to check internet speed for NFL Sunday ticket. To enjoy NFL ticket without lag, buffering or constant quality drops, having the right internet speed is key. Checking your speed before kickoff is the smartest move you can make. The NFL and YouTube recommends at least 3 Mbps for streaming in standard definition, that is 7 to 10 Mbps for HD, and ideally 15 to 20 Mbps or higher for smooth 4K streaming. This is also especially if you're watching on multiple devices. These tests measures three important things: download speed, upload speed, and others. For NFL Sunday Ticket, focus mainly on download speed. If it's consistently above 15 Mbps, you should be golden for HD or even 4K games. If you find your speed is lower than expected, try a quick reset of your modem or router or move closer to your Wi-Fi source. That's all for today. Thank you.